Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Experience Humanities. So today we'll be continuing with the rights in the Indian Constitution. Now this is Directive Principles of State Policy. Now Directive Principles of State Policy is basically imposed or done because the government should do welfare to the people of the country. Now welfare is ensured by the Directive Principles. Did you understand? Welfare in the sense means doing good to people. Okay, this was ensured in the Directive Principles of State Policy. Now, when you talk about Directive Principles, there are certain goals mentioned, like society should adopt. What goals the society should have or it should adopt? Okay, what rights an individual should have apart from the fundamental rights? Fundamental rights, as we have studied, are those rights which are given to the citizens irrespective of their caste, color, creed, etc. Okay, like we have seen the rights to constitutional remedies, rights to freedom of religion, etc. Now, there are certain rights that are given to individuals apart from fundamental rights. Certain policies that government should adopt. Okay, this is also done by the Directive Principles. What government should do? Now government can do a lot of things. Okay, see, take for Zamindari system which was abolished. Okay, now Zamindari system was curse. Okay, it, as you can say, it was bad because it zamindars were creating a kind of a very stress on farmers and leading to which a lot of destruction was caused among the farmers. So this was bad. So government did away with this. So this is what is the work of Directive Principles. This gives welfare to the people of the country. Okay. Now many of the people think that it is hindrance. It is not hindrance. It is basically the protection given to the people on their behalf, on their welfare. Okay. Hope the things would be clear, and if not, you can rewind it once again and go through it. Okay, and if you want, you can just go through the previous videos also, so that you have got a clear concepts regarding these things. So now, differences between the fundamental rights and the Directive Principles. Now what is the main difference? Okay, central difference. Fundamental rights are the rights given to the people. Okay, they can be claimed, okay, by the court. But Directive Principles are not the rights. They are the welfare given to the people. Welfare that is given to the people by the government. No one can go to the court to get it. Okay. No one can complain against it. Okay. Or if the government has done something, because government always does for the welfare of the people. Okay. So this is basically the difference, that fundamental rights, these are the rights given to the citizens irrespective of the caste. Directive Principles, when you talk about, these are welfare. You can go to the court to claim it, but you cannot go to the court to claim it if the government has done something good, because government always does for the welfare of the people. So I hope the things would be clear in your mind. With this, I sign off from the video. We'll meet again in the next part. Do subscribe and like the videos in the channel and share it also, so that we get good inspirations to make these kind of videos for you. So thank you everyone.